In this model, we are going to see the next experiment, creating and magnetizing the table. Here we create the last experiment. We have created already the table. We can see here. We can see the elements and the value we inserted in the last experiment. Now we have the several 12 points to be executed in this experiments. First, we are going to create a table to store the information of a training institute and display the structure of all the table. We can see here the SQL course. We have insert the element and we are giving the type, what type, number or date, on that goes on. We have created the same what we created in experiment one. So the create how to create a table, you can see the create table, and the table is created like this. Then we are going to second we are going to impose the foreign key constant to the inquiry number in the inquiry table and the enrollment table accordingly. We are going to see the foreign key. You can see we are going to insert the foreign key. Foreign key is something you can be inserted by the alter table enrollment command by constant foreign key. Inquiry number is altered, so that the key will be altered. Inquiry table and the enrollment table will be according to its. Add the third is the add a constant so that the course code should be unique. The course code will be different, but we are going to use a constant and make it say unique. You can see we are going to add constant by alter table and course, and the constant course code in the table is altered. Next we are going to alter the table. We are modifying the course code, but it's going to say error. We are going the mask code. You can see next is we are going to see that only. Add a constant that the enrollment date should be not be exceed the current date. Okay. The current date should not be exceed by the modify. You can see this in there. uh, Sorry, I didn't get it. Change next change the data type of the batch code and the char type. You can see the course key and modify the course code worker into char type. The fourth is the avoid the redundant entry of the roll number column by adding the appropriate constant to the column. We are going the unique and constant to the column. You can see it. Here we are providing the exit called and the piece square constant using the unique. Sorry that we missed it here. You can see here. Then we are going to remove the en constant for a table. Sorry. uh, the seventh one, we are going to see how to remove it. um, so you see we are going to drop all the same alter comma query as alter table and query the table name and drop the enst. You can going to removing the enst. Okay, then we are going to see the add the email in the inquiry table. Okay, we are going to see how to insert the email in the inquiry table. uh, Here we are showing one table. You know how we can create the table by create table name and the constraints. Then the values insert into terminal new enrollment. Like that the value will be added. Then that we are going to see what's that. Drop the constraint. To drop the unique constraint, we are going to use the command SQL command as alter table piece period 14 cs3 the constant until okay, like this goes on. uh, then we are going to see uh, some of the tables, how to revoke and insert the table and delete the course. We are going to see that. You can see here how to experiment the grinding village, means how to insert on the 12th point delete up to date and revoke the privilege of the next user. The privilege is the user in the original user will be giving the appointment to the another user by using the command revoke insert table from whose name is. Okay, then we are going to see about the save point. We can see that create a save point here. How to create a save point? Simple, it's very simple. Save point, SQL save point is beyond up to here. What is type? What there will be type will be saved there. Here the save point created. Then we are going to say rename the enrollment date in enrollment table as in date. can see here alt table enrollment and rename column enrollment date. That's all. We can then we are going to see remove the record from the inquiry made in the current date and the experiment. Sorry, date and explain how the transition is recorded by using the rollback. Okay, let's see how the what we have done it. We are saying insert in the course same was up to here. Some values are giving and another save point is created. Then we want up to the save point one, so we are deleting that and rollback. This is the command we are using the rollback to sp2. Then up to the sp2 there will be no up to what we saved in sp2 will be saved, the other will be deleted. um, this is the last command we are going to use it. That's all in the experiment.